Tired of your office chair damaging your carpet? I'm here to help with 3 proven solutions for every budget. Enter Miracle Caster Extra Large Chair Wheels, the GLSLAND Office Chair Mat, and the Placoot Heavy Duty Office Chair Mat for carpet. Find links to all these products in the description and top comment. Firstly, the Miracle Caster Extra Large Chair Wheels. These aren't just your average replacement casters. Imagine a world where your chair glides effortlessly on your carpet, no matter how thick or plush it is. That's what these large and wide wheels offer. They're designed to roll easily over low to high pile carpets, reducing the effort you need to move your chair around. But it's not just about ease. It's also about preservation. These wheels significantly decrease carpet wear and tear, extending the life of your flooring. These wheels fit most existing office chairs and can be installed in minutes. Next up, we have the GLSLAND Office Chair Mat. Picture this: a sturdy protective layer between your chair and your carpet, absorbing the brunt of the day-to-day office life. It ensures a smooth and effortless glide for your chair, while also making maintenance a breeze. But don't let its utility overshadow its strength and stability. It's designed to withstand heavy use and won't sag like vinyl mats, so you can rest assured it will preserve the longevity of your carpet. Lastly, here's the Placoot Heavy Duty Office Chair Mat for carpet. This mat is not just another accessory for your office. It ensures a smooth glide for your chair, allowing you to move around your workspace without any hitches. This mat adds a stylish touch to your workspace, enhancing the overall aesthetics of your office. It's like adding a chic rug that also protects your carpet and comes in a ton of different colors and style. Specifically designed for low to medium pile carpet, it provides an effective solution to prevent wear and tear caused by office chairs. So, not only does it protect your carpet, but it also elevates your workspace's look. With this mat, blend style and functionality in your workspace effortlessly. And that wraps up our list of brilliant solutions to prevent office chairs from ruining your carpet. We've explored how the Miracle Caster Extra Large Chair Wheels can effortlessly roll over any carpet, and how the GLSLAND Office Chair Mat offers a robust protective layer for your flooring. Not to mention the Placoot Heavy Duty Office Chair Mat, adding style while ensuring a smooth glide for your chair. Don't forget to check out the product links in the description and top comment. Your carpet will thank you.